This is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Then at the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, simply tap at the install button over here or open the, separate app page and tap at the same exact button, but this time over here. And now simply wait for it to be downloaded and installed. Alrighty, so once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time after the installation, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So in here, tap at the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browsing app right off the bat. And at this final page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to the Opera browser, or simply allow everything that it asks for, and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.